Here I have the DJI Mini 3 Pro RC edition. So it's the Mini 3 Pro fantastic drone, which includes the DJI RC controller with the built-in screen. Now let's have a look inside what you get in the box. So inside you receive your quick start guide, safety guidelines and DJI warranty information. So you receive spare propellers, so we've got 4 spare propellers here, so that will cover one whole side of the drone, and a little screwdriver that you use to remove the propellers that are already on the drone. Plus it has replacement screws inside this bag too, in case those have been lost. So you also receive a USB-C to USB-C cable, which allows for data transfer as well as fast charging if you have an appropriate adapter. So both the controller and the drone are capable of fast charging. It'll only draw what it needs to charge the unit itself. The drone itself is impressively small and light. It actually is shocking how light they can make these things because it's such a capable drone as well. You've got this guard here that you simply remove, and then you've got a piece of foam at the back that holds the gimbal in place. I would advise you keep this so that you can always keep the gimbal secure when you're not using it, so it doesn't rattle about, say if you're in a bag or something like that. Then with that released, the camera gimbal can move freely around. And then to use it, you just fold out these arms like so. Then, as with how you turn on the controller, you press and then hold, and then it turns on. And then eventually you'll see yourself on the screen there. So there you go, it's auto focusing on my face. And there you have it, the drone ready to go, ready to fly. Obviously I don't have GPS indoors here, so I'm not going to fly. But there you go, you can see the unit. Now at the back of the drone, that's where the battery gets removed. And also, you have a USB-C port for charging and a micro SD slot here, so you can apply a card so you can record your footage. So let's turn it off. So to turn it off, press in and then hold. And now that it's off, I'm going to show you how to fold it away. So these two like so, and then this one round like that, and this one round like that. On the bottom it's got these 2 sensors here. Now they will be able to see what's below the drone. So it will know where it is in the world, it will be able to see the ground, so it can maintain its position even more accurately than just using GPS. It's got the 2 cameras at the front, which allow it to sense any dangers or obstacles in its way, and it can use its systems built in to avoid those obstacles as you fly. In case you ever make a mistake, the drone will back you up. Now this is the really cool part I really like. So when you open these legs out, you get access to the battery here. So you press this latch on this side, that latch on that side, and the battery just comes out. And you can really see how well built this whole thing is to be very lightweight. And this is one of the standard batteries you get, and as you see, it's got ultralight 249 grams written on it, and that just shows that this is the battery that you can use in order to keep the drone weight below 250 grams, if that's applicable where you live. Now, because this is the DJI Mini 3 Pro, it also features lots of advanced settings, like the camera can rotate for true vertical shooting, which is super useful. It can actually also look quite high up in the air because of this space at the bottom here. The camera can look quite high, which is really impressive. It features all these master shots modes as well, because it's one of the more advanced drones that DJI do. So really what they've done with this drone is bring a lot of the professional features that you get in the much bigger drones and applied it to this really lightweight drone. So you've got something that can fit in your pocket, that can fly up in the air, do really advanced maneuvers and advanced filming techniques, and then you can use that, create some really impactful things. So this drone also does active track, which some of the other lightweight drones simply don't have. This one's got it, active track. So you can draw a box around your subject and it will track it. So if you're looking for a fantastic lightweight drone, this could be exactly what you're looking for.